How is that done? Well, on the back end, it's known as recipes. A lot of companies maybe and operators may be familiar with the idea of recipes already, but essentially what recipes do is they give you the ability to have a part number and then associate different metrics of the system to be associated with that part number, right? A lot of times you can change the variables on the HMI. Maybe you need different cycle times. Maybe you need a conveyor to run longer for bigger parts, or maybe you need to have a conveyor run a shorter amount of time for smaller parts. You might want to have metrics like the color of the product saved. That way, if the wrong product color is being ran, the system can reject that or flag an alarm. So all these things are characteristics that can be added to a recipe. Going back to the robot tooling example, you could say part number X uses tool number 1, part number Y uses tool number 2, part number Z uses tool number 3. And in the back end, a programmer has taken that HMI interface, they've taken that data, saved it into the PLC, they then take that PLC data and then pass it off to the robot.